friends, welcome back to my another video. In today's video we are going to talk about a new topic, which is our molecules. So basically, science and science physics, we have the topic which is the molecules. In the atoms and molecules, we have covered two units basically. Wait, let me write properly so you can get understand that easily. Okay, so in atom and molecules, we have started three units. Okay, three units we have covered. Okay, we have started also and we have covered also. Okay, now this is the fourth unit of this chapter. After that we have question answers, you can see in the chapter for atoms and molecules. Then we have one more unit, last unit, which is the last unit of our chapters, atoms and okay, Diwali Pili. So yeah, in the this chapter we have questions answers, and we have also one more last unit, and this is our last second unit we are covering in today's video. So yeah, basically in the atoms and molecules, it is nothing but it makes the faces of the matters. Atoms and molecules are nothing but it makes the faces of molecules. Now, how they make the faces of the molecules? Now, the molecules are the molecules are natural neutral energy, neutral energy, and the neutral energy, it has like oxygen, then methane, then caffeine, and DNA. So these are the four things. Now understand it clearly. Okay. Now you can see the molecules. What are the molecules? Molecule is nothing but it is a small element which creates an compound effect and makes an compound compound solution. Now you can see that here oxygen, how much oxygen does looks in our body? In the blood, the oxygen looks like this small cells. So oxygen looks like the nanometers like 1.2 nanometers or 1 nanometers they takes places. Okay, methane. Now what is the methane? Methane is nothing but it is an thing like when you see when you see an energy of the methane, that is an chemical dong. Okay, so that is called as chemical bond, so that is called as methane. And caffeine, which is an chemical bond, which is a liquid matter, a liquid state, and it is called as caffeine. So you can see that the liquid states, which all of the liquid states which are there, they looks like this. The molecules get molecules have some have far away, far from the places, and some are attached like this. The chemicals, the means the liquid state molecules are created. Now what is the DNA? So basically, DNA is nothing but it is an identification and an bone structure which is presented in our human bodies. So DNA is nothing but it is a structure and identification which is presented at around the bones of an human body. That is called as well energy. Now you can see that the DNA molecules are attached together and they have made the strongest bond ever. Like you can see the bonding of them. They have attached two means they have making and they have attached two sticky and they are so attached so easy and so near. Like this, the solid matter works like this. And the solid matter is basically you know that like solid matter. Now, what is the solid matter? You guys say, okay, the solid matter is this. Like you can see the plastic. It is a liquid which get heat and then it forms a solution which is called as an plastic. And the plastic takes and place as the solid substance, solid matter, and the solid matter has the DNAs which the solid matter has molecules which are getting bonded very strongly and they are very near to each other. So that is called as the neutral energy DNA and a solid substance and molecules. Now, I hope you understand what are the molecules. Okay, what are the molecules and how they works and how they works and how many types of molecules are there. So basically in this video we have learned about the molecules and how many molecules are presented up there, and we have also learned about the molecules which are there in our bodies and the molecules which are presented in our real life, and how the molecules get creates the bonding, how the molecules has their bonding. We have learned in our molecules chapter. Now I will give you some activities to define how the molecule look clear. Now I will explain how the molecules look. Now see here, the molecules looks as take an beaker. Okay, I will explain here. Take an beaker, then then put some water in it, then uh, make the beaker make the beaker enter above with the energy slide. You can get the energy slide oxygen. Now you can see that when you put the air in the beaker which has the water in it, and you get and when you heat it, the water become air and water get disappeared. And when you remove the air get transfer outside, and it makes it takes place like this. First, when he was in the beaker, it was looking like a solid molecules. But when he goes in the air, when he fly in the air, it get far. It makes the far places far from each other and takes and places like the liquid state. So I hope you understand what are the molecules and how does they shape when they are in their own habitated surroundings and when they are in an unhabituated surroundings. So basically this video says that how many types of the molecules are there, like neutral energies are there, which makes the bonding perfect and they are presented like oxygen. You can see the oxygen has the bonding like this, means the oxygen is presented very and attached very near to them. Methane means which is presented in our body, and they also creates the blood food, and they also develops the blood food and blood oxygen. caffeine like the and drug which is the caffeine and DNA which is presented around the bone of an person or human. Thanks for watching my video. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.